At this very moment, the LogicFolding miracle occurs. So we proposed a shift from geometric to the time scaling as the new guiding principle for electronic system evolution. We saw time scaling can deliver strong benefits across devices, circuits, chips, and systems. In fall, winter 2026, we will bring the surprise. Not saturation, not continuation, but a big leap ahead. Kirin 2026 is here. 6 years, 381 chips, serving different industry sectors and markets and customers.
我们发现良率不会变差，反而有机会获得良率和成本的收益。
在用户的手上，你的实际体验，我们希望它看起来、跑起来、用起来，都像一颗巨型的芯片。超定律的时代才刚刚开始。
Sustainable. So before we get into the actual panel, I would like to have
big companies.
Our vision is to bring digital to every person, home, and organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. This remains our world.